Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial, we had learned about Redux middlewares, how we can apply Logger as a middleware to Redux store. We had learned about it and we know the procedure how we can apply any kind of middleware in React Redux application. In today's tutorial, we will be focused with another topic that is related to Redux DevTools. How we can use it with React Redux application. Let's go ahead and try to implement and see that. So this is our application. You guys can see it's up and running in live. What we have to do here is we have to just write Redux DevTools in Google search like this, and you will see the first Google Chrome extension will appear for Redux DevTools. Once you will come here, you have to install this extension into your Google Chrome. Once you see the Google Chrome extension is added, so I will show you guys. Wait a while. No, cancel. Let's see where is the Redux DevTool. This is the Redux DevTool extension. Let me make it pin. So this is the Redux DevTool extension available in my Google Chrome extensions tab. Right now you can see it's not enabled. It's coming in gray color. So the second step for that is you have to move down a little bit. You have to just go to the third link that is regarding Redux DevTool extension. So you have to open this Redux DevTool extension related to GitHub, or it's available in the GitHub. Second link is regarding Redux DevTools only. This is regarding Redux DevTool extension. I will keep the links in the video description as well for you guys. Once you will open that, you have to move like down to the usage part. So this is the usage part. We are actually concerned with the installation and usage of that is available under section 1.3. That is how you can use Redux DevTool extension using npm package node package manager. Let me copy this one and try to install in our project. Let me close the tab, and we have to add sudo at the beginning for the installation. Let me install this by using sudo. So you guys can see it's getting installed. Now it's installed. Now I'll make my project again up and live, running back. My project is running again. Let's move forward. What we want here is in our store file. This should be done inside the store. Create store method. Where is our create store method? Inside the store file. This is the store file. I'll close everything one more time. I'll navigate you to store file again in the project. Once you will open the source, you have to open Redux folder. Inside it, we are keeping the store file. So rest all things as it is. What we have to do here is we have to import what? Compose with DevTool. So let's import this one, compose with DevTool. Second thing is that we have to pass our middleware inside this function that is imported from Redux DevTools extension library. So we have to do one thing. Second parameter, apply middleware, should be passed inside this function as a parameter like this. So we will pass this function as second parameter, and apply middleware will be a part of this function as a parameter. Let's hit save. Let's go back to our browser, and you guys can see now the color for DevTool extension turns to green. Once I will click on this, you guys can see a DevTool appearing in my window. But if I'll click somewhere else, it's gone already. So the solution for that is let's open Redux DevTools like this, or let me just go to inspector. We can do like this also. You can go like this and open Redux and just make it on the right side for your window. So this is how you can see your Redux DevTools. There are few things you should understand in this. I'll explain you guys one by one few things. First of all, let's see this state. you guys can see our actual current state for the application appearing inside it. The state tree that contains all the Redux initial state or all the reducers initial state, or the state object tree that is available inside the store is appearing here. Initial number of cakes are 10. Initial number of ice creams are 15. Let me dispatch one method. Once I click a method, you guys can see my state goes down to 19. But here there is another tab upside. You guys can see initially there is init that shows the initial state or initially what things appear. Secondly, we dispatched a method that is buy cake. Let's buy an ice cream. So you can see now I had passed a method that is buy ice cream. You guys can see here, if I will make it more bolder, my DevTool, sorry, my mouse is not working properly, not getting, yeah. So you guys can see now I have a state here, ice cream and cake. Now the current value for the cakes is 19 and current value for the ice cream is what? Ice cream is 49. So what I had dispatched, first method when I dispatch is buy cake. If I will click on this, you guys can see the ice cream is 50, but the cake state is turned back to 19. Once I will click on ice cream, you guys can see ice cream is 49 already and cake is also 19. If I'll click on the initial state, it will be 20 and 50. So whatever the methods I am passing, you can see in each action that we had dispatched what are the values of state variables or what are the values inside the state tree of each variable. This is how you can understand it. This is very good in terms of development or in terms of dry run or in terms of checking the state value for Redux toolkit in each step. Secondly, there is one thing named as show dispatcher. Here it's available inside this one. You guys can see hide dispatcher or show dispatcher. Once you will click here, show dispatcher, it will give you an object. Right now we have an object in single key only. If I will go to my dispatch, like I have cake module and I can dispatch how many action? I can dispatch buy cake action or I can dispatch what? Buy ice cream action. So we will dispatch these actions with the help of DevTool. How we can do that? Let's just copy this action and this will be passed inside the buy cake. So I want to buy a cake. You guys can see here right now buy cake is already done. If I'll dispatch it again, so you guys can see another dispatch is done. And if I will click here, the cake value is turned back to 16. If I will click again one more time dispatch, the method is again dispatch and the value turned back to 15. Similar to this, I can buy an ice cream by using this as well. Let me copy the method type here and we can pass any kind of action object in dispatch method or we can dispatch any action like this also. You can see now buy ice cream method is dispatched and ice cream changed to 48. Let's move forward. Another method is dispatched and ice cream value is 47. So this is how manually you can dispatch any kind of action using Redux DevTools. And lastly, I want to tell you guys one more thing. Let me close this one. I want to tell you one more thing that is related to slideshow. So that is this slideshow. If you can just have a look on one thing, if I will make the slides the DevTools a little bit smaller, I have actually 8 different actions performed until now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So once I will click here, you guys should what I want you guys to know is to focus in the values of cakes and ice cream. Let me just click here. You guys can see 18, 17, 16, 15. In this, let's move forward again. 50, 49, then 46, 48, 47. So this will tell us, slideshow will tell us in each step each dispatch method, what are the values of the state and how many dispatch methods are done. So this is very helpful with programming. If you guys are using Redux toolkit, or you guys are using React Redux and building a large scale application, it will be really helpful for you to use Redux DevTools. So I hope you guys understand it. In case of any question, any query, you can comment us. You can reach us to our mailbox also. I had explained you just basics of this. You guys can go on and research about it in details and learn many more things from this as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.